Akron is continuing to invest in improving the quality of its waterways. Following the success of the Ohio Canal Interceptor Tunnel project, the city is constructing the second and final major storage tunnel, the Northside Interceptor Tunnel. Akron's main sewage network was designed and built over 100 years ago and is a combined sewer where stormwater and sanitary waste are all conveyed in the same pipes to the water reclamation facility. During normal dry conditions and light rain events, this works well. But during heavy rain events, the combined sewer exceeds the capacity of the sewers and overflows into the rivers and canals. This is known as a combined sewer overflow, or CSO. The Northside Interceptor Tunnel will add storage capacity and control and reduce combined sewer overflows in the North Hill neighborhood that can happen during heavy rain events. This, in combination with the removal of the Gorge Dam, will improve water quality in the Cuyahoga River and enhance the beauty of Gorge Metro Park and Cascade Valley Metro Park. The Interceptor Tunnel will have a 16.5-foot inside diameter. It will be 6,660 feet long and can store up to 10 million gallons of combined flow. The Interceptor Tunnel will extend under the North Hill area of Akron. The white line represents the Interceptor Tunnel's planned location. The Tunnel Diversion Structure Site, or TDS, is located in the Chuckery area of Cascade Valley Metro Park. Trees will be cleared in designated work areas and then replanted at the end of the project. The contractor's primary staging area and muck area will be located in the park. Material that the tunnel boring machine, or TBM, excavates will be placed in a muck yard. The TBM will be launched by dropping it into the TDS shaft and assembling it underground. The TBM has a cutter head that turns and cuts through rock at the face of the machine. As the machine advances, the tunnel liner is immediately installed. The liner is made of precast concrete segments. Additional drop shafts and work will take place at the North Howard Street drop shaft, Linden Avenue drop shaft, Drexel Avenue drop shaft, and Front Street drop shaft. The black line shows the path and direction the TBM will mine. The drop shaft at Linden Avenue will connect to the new sewers being built for the Riverside Sewer Separation Project. The end of the Interceptor Tunnel is the drop shaft on Front Street. This shaft will be 40 feet in diameter. The top layers of earth will be excavated and removed until rock is exposed. From there, material will be removed with mechanized excavation equipment. The total depth of the Front Street drop shaft is 120 feet. This shaft will be prepared to accept the TBM as it breaks through and connects up with the completion of the mining operations. The face of the machine will be removed in pieces and lifted out of the shaft using a large crane. The Front Street shaft will then be finished so that it can accept both dry weather and wet weather flows and route them to the Interceptor Tunnel. This cutaway view shows an approximation of depth of the tunnel under the neighborhood. A smaller conveyance pipe will also be tunneled from the tunnel diversion structure to a drop shaft to the southwest called Rack 32. After tunneling is complete, the Interceptor Tunnel's diversion structure will be built at the TDS site, and the area will be regraded and reforested. During normal dry days, the system will convey sanitary flow to the water reclamation facility for treatment. When a rain event occurs, the wet weather flow will drop into the Interceptor Tunnel through baffles. The baffles serve to slow down the water as it's transferred from the near-surface sewers to the Interceptor Tunnel below. During a rain event, as the downstream system fills, more flow is stored in the Interceptor Tunnel. In some instances, the rain event may exceed the storage capacity of the Interceptor Tunnel, which will then overflow into the Cuyahoga River. After rain events, the Interceptor Tunnel will be dewatered and the flow conveyed approximately 5 miles to the water reclamation facility. At the facility, the combined sewage will be treated before released back into the Cuyahoga River. Thank you for learning more about the Northside Interceptor Tunnel. For more information, visit www.akronwaterwaysrenewed.com.